New WebFOCUS Hub offers you great capabilities to work with not just the content, but also easily go to the application folder and get to all your master files. This is only going to be available if you got the permissions that are needed. But as you see in here, we only see a few limited folders in here, which are the ones that are in the standard application path, actually. So I only see call center and a few other things. So navigating through the folders in here, so I can easily now navigate to something like, let's navigate to my let's go and navigate to my administration folder in here. So I'm now in the administration folder. Moving over in here, I still see the same folders in here. But one thing I can easily do in here, if I'm missing folders, go to manage. There's preferences as well. And in here, I can tell it to show applications that are not in app path. Updating that one is going to add a setting called inactive directories, which can allow me to see even more directories that are currently not in the application path.